Bionic arms are just the beginning. What if the next evolution of humanity isn't natural at all? What if it's engineered? AI is no longer just writing essays or generating art, it's stepping into our biology. From bionic limbs to neural implants, artificial intelligence is merging with flesh and bone. Today on @lightleaplabs, we're diving into how AI is redesigning the human body from the inside out. And yeah, it's way more than just robotic arms. AI-enhanced prosthetics. Modern prosthetics aren't just mechanical, they're intelligent. AI learns how you move, predicts your next step, and adapts in real time. People are running, climbing, dancing with limbs that think with them. 9. Neural implants and brain AI interfaces. Companies like Neuralink are developing brain-computer interfaces. You think. The machine moves. Imagine controlling your phone, your car, even your memories with just a thought. 8. Artificial eyes with built-in zoom and night vision. Bionic eyes are in early stages, but AI is helping blind patients see again. Next up, color enhancements. Zoom, infrared vision. Literal cyborg vision is on the table. 7. AI-powered genetic editing. CRISPR. CRISPR was the scalpel. AI is now the surgeon. By predicting gene function, AI can design more accurate, safer gene edits, potentially curing genetic diseases before birth. 6. Predictive health monitors. Your body upgraded. Smartwatches are just the start. AI-powered implants could continuously scan your blood, hormones, even detect cancer before you show symptoms. 5. 3D printed organs. With AI optimizing structure and cell compatibility, we're printing functioning hearts and kidneys. The transplant waitlist might go extinct. 4. Smart skin. That feels engineers are building AI-driven artificial skin that can feel touch, pressure, even temperature. It's synthetic but responsive like the real deal. 3. AI-driven exoskeleton military? Sure. But also for elderly people, the disabled, and industrial workers. AI reads your movements and assists where your muscles can't. 2. Voice cloning for the mute people who've lost their voice can now speak again, using AI-trained voice models from past recordings. Their words, their tone, brought back. 1. Digital twins, your virtual health shadow. AI can create a digital version of you, your habits, biology, DNA. Then simulate diseases, treatments, and outcomes before they hit the real you. Doctor visits might start with your clone. Which AI upgrade would you actually want? Drop it in the comments. And let's talk transhumanism in the real world. This is @lightleaplabs, where curiosity meets future biology. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you're ready for your next evolution.